Digha is one of the most popular and highly visited tourist spots of West Bengal. With Durga Puja knocking at the door and the blooming Kash grass marking the beginning of the autumn season, Digha has opened its doors for the tourists again in Unlock 4.0. It has always had a special place in the hearts of the people for its beauty, accessibility, and low budget destination to enjoy a quality holiday with your loved ones. After much pondering and analysis, we decided to take a break from our regular routines and visit Digha on the third weekend of September. And it is our first trip after lockdown was withdrawn. Due to the prevailing scenario of COVID-19, it is best that you take care of your safety and precautions yourself. Instead of public transport, it is preferable to travel on a private vehicle. We started our journey at 5:30 a.m. in the morning and reached our hotel at New Digha at 11:30 a.m. with ample refreshment breaks during these 6 hours.
I still remember the house now, heart beating out of my chest, and walking up to your front door, I can still see the address.
After reaching the hotel, our luggage was properly sanitized along with mandatory temperature checking of every guest. The rooms too were clean and sanitized. You can also carry sanitizer sprays yourself and use it in the touch points of your room to be doubly sure, like we did. After relaxing in the afternoon, you can go out to visit the beaches in the evening. All the beaches here are open with highest footfall seen in Old Digha Beach and then in New Digha Beach. The other nearby points like Deosagar, Oceana Beach and Mohana are a little less crowded. So if you just want to spend a good time away from the crowd and maintain distance, it is preferable to visit these places.
Before we said goodbye, too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light, running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every star.
The old Digha beach has almost adorned its earlier look and seemed to be quite busy till late in the evening. The small vendors and shops are open like before, along with options to enjoy various food items along the beach. We relaxed at the far end of the Bishwa Bangla Park away from the crowd and enjoyed the ambience of Old Digha after dark. All the restaurants and hotels in the area are open now. Since it was a weekend, the rush in this place was more than usual. However, if you want to avoid crowd and enjoy tranquility, the areas of Shankarpur and Mandarmani are a nice escape too.
Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try.
We returned to Kolkata the next day. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on our future uploads. If the video was helpful to you in any way, do share, like and comment. We will be glad to answer your queries. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.